Google's own Pixel Slate keyboard, $200, is a lot like the Microsoft Surface Pro keyboard. It's meant to sit on the desk, and its rear cover turns into a magnetic adjustable stand. The keys are round and backlit, have a satisfying mechanism, and are generously spaced. The case attaches through a magnetic connector on the side of the Pixel Slate, powering the keyboard. It also doubles as a folio case. But unlike Apple's new iPad Pro keyboard, this isn't lap-usable at all. And it's an odd folio case, too. The plastic keyboard cover seems to slide across the Pixel Slate's display when closed. The G-Type from Brige, $160, turns the Pixel Slate into a clamshell laptop and feels great to type on. But it doesn't fold back to enable the Slate to be used as a tablet, which means it'll have to be removed. It pairs via Bluetooth and needs to be charged separately. And it attaches by sliding the Slate into rubberized brackets that hold the tablet in place, which feels less elegant and secure than Google's keyboard. It doesn't offer any protection to the Slate, either. The pen's less exciting than the pencil. The Pixel Book Pen allows pressure-sensitive drawing, much like the Surface Pen and Apple Pencil, but it's not nearly as good. The chunkier pen uses a AAA battery, and using it with a variety of sketch and note-taking apps from Google Keep, which you can instantly take notes to, and Adobe Photoshop Sketch, it exhibits a lot of lag. Google's OS also seems to approximate where strokes are going, which created a subtle repositioning of line curves as I was doodling. I didn't love it,